Broccoli is not a vegetable that nature invented. It is a vegetable that humans designed. This single fact explains almost everything about it. Its structure, its density, its nutritional concentration, and its global reputation all trace back to deliberate selection rather than chance. Broccoli belongs to the species Brassica oleracea, one of the most manipulated plant species in human history. From the same wild ancestor came cabbage, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and kohlrabi. Each looks different. Each behaves differently. Genetically, they are nearly identical. Broccoli represents a choice. Humans selected flower buds before they opened and turned them into food. Botanically, broccoli is an immature inflorescence. The tight green clusters are unopened flower buds. If left unharvested, they elongate, turn yellow, and bloom. This means broccoli is harvested at a moment of maximum potential. Growth energy is concentrated. Nutrients are mobilized. Defense compounds are active. This timing matters. Historically, broccoli emerged in the Mediterranean region, particularly in Italy. Its name comes from the Italian word broccolo, meaning small shoot or sprout. Romans cultivated early forms and valued them as hearty, strengthening vegetables. However, broccoli remained regional for centuries. It did not spread widely until modern agriculture and refrigeration made it transportable. This late global adoption is part of why broccoli feels modern, even though it is ancient. Structurally, broccoli consists of a thick stem, branching stalks, and dense florets. Each part serves a function. The stem transports nutrients. The florets protect reproductive tissues. Together, they form a compact nutritional system. Nutritionally, broccoli is unusually dense. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, fiber, and small amounts of protein. But its reputation does not come from vitamins alone. Broccoli is famous for its phytochemicals. Among these, sulforaphane stands out. Sulforaphane is not present directly in intact broccoli. It forms when the plant is damaged. Cutting, chewing, or crushing activates an enzyme called myrosinase, which converts glucorophanin into sulforaphane. This is plant defense chemistry. In nature, this system protects broccoli from insects. In humans, it triggers detoxification pathways, antioxidant responses, and cellular defense mechanisms. This crossover is not accidental. Plants evolved chemical weapons. Humans learned to metabolize them. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are particularly rich in these compounds. That is why nutrition science consistently links them to long-term health benefits. Cooking changes this chemistry. Heat can deactivate myrosinase, reducing sulforaphane formation. However, gentle cooking preserves texture and digestibility. This creates a balance. Raw broccoli maximizes enzymatic activity but can be harsh on digestion. Light steaming softens fibers while retaining benefits. Broccoli's bitterness is also intentional. Bitter compounds discourage herbivores. Humans interpret bitterness as medicinal. This association shaped broccoli's cultural image. It became the vegetable people respect more than they enjoy. Culturally, broccoli gained symbolic weight in the late 20th century. It was framed as the healthy vegetable, often contrasted with indulgent foods. This framing made it famous, but also unpopular among children. Broccoli became a test of discipline. Yet this reputation hides its adaptability. Broccoli absorbs flavors well. It pairs with fats, acids, and spices. It can be roasted, steamed, stir-fried, pureed, or eaten raw. Its versatility reflects its structure. Agriculturally, broccoli is demanding. It prefers cool temperatures, fertile soil, and consistent moisture. It does not tolerate neglect well. This sensitivity increased production costs but also encouraged selective breeding. Modern broccoli varieties are bred for uniform heads, tight florets, and slow flowering. These traits extend shelf life and visual appeal. However, this breeding sometimes reduces flavor complexity. Wild and heirloom varieties often have stronger taste profiles. This tension between nutrition, flavor, and appearance defines modern food systems. Broccoli also represents a turning point in how humans evaluate vegetables. Its value is justified scientifically rather than culturally. It is recommended by doctors, dietitians, and public health guidelines. This authority gives broccoli power. It also makes broccoli boring. But boring is not failure. It is consistency. Broccoli does not rely on novelty. It relies on evidence. In sustainability discussions, broccoli plays a mixed role. It requires resources but delivers nutrition efficiently. It benefits from integrated farming systems and crop rotation. It is neither perfect nor problematic. It is practical. Broccoli's real significance lies in what it represents. It shows how humans can shape plants intentionally. It shows how chemistry, agriculture, and health intersect. It is not a wild gift. It is a collaboration. Broccoli exists because humans saw potential in unopened flowers and decided to eat them. That decision changed diets worldwide. Broccoli is not exciting. It is engineered wisdom, and that is why it keeps showing up on plates, studies, and fields across the world.